Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of ERPNext demo tutorial series by TechSolvo. In this particular video, we are going to learn about stock and also we'll be creating few items and add a particular stock inside our system. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, I am using ERPNext version 15 and inside that particular version, I am inside the stock section. Inside the stock section, I will go inside this quick access tab, and over here you can see there is an option to add or see how many items are there. So in my system already there are 69 available items pre-present, but I'll try to create a new one to demo it to you guys. And also after this particular item, I'll create the raw materials also which is needed to create this particular item. So in the later videos, we'll try to create BOM after this particular addition of the final product and the raw materials also. So in general, if you want to create an item, you need to come to this page, click on the add item section. Over here, this is the complete form which you need to fill to add any item inside the system, right? So first of all, I'll start with adding item code, right? So for example, I'm going to create a item which is known as metal table, right? So for metal table, I am giving an item code of MT011. Yeah, I can say I can give it as a MT001. After that, I'll give a item name which will be metal table. Item group would be a product, right? Because this is a product or a thing which is the final product, right? So I'll write it like this. Inside HSN, I'll try to write 9403290, right? So this is the GST HSN number for this particular product, which is already preset inside the system. So you don't have to worry about this. After that, default unit of measures would be number, obviously. Opening stock, I'm going to write it for time being as 30. Valuation rate, I am going to write it as 2500 for time being. And the selling rate, standard selling rate would be 3500, right? Yeah, so I think we are done about this particular thing. Now what you need to do is you need to just save this particular item, right? As soon as you save this particular item, you can see this complete thing is already pre-filled. Now I just add a few photo of this particular item so that I remember it that this is the product which was uploaded by me. As you can see, the image is already uploaded. I'll just click on upload and this particular thing is visible over here. Great. Now what we need to do is, obviously to generate this particular metal table, I need a lot of raw materials, right? So in general, we have an option to give a category of raw material to certain products or certain items. So what I'll do is I'll again go to item section over here by clicking item, click on add item section. I'll click on edit full form and I'll start adding few of the raw materials needed to create a metallic table, right? So what all things are needed to create a metal table? The first thing is metal sheet, right? So what I'll do is I'll create a item for metal sheet now, right? In general, I'll give metal sheet a code of MS001, give it a item name as metal sheet, right? Item group will be a raw material, right? Because this is a raw material which is used to create a metallic table, right? Inside the HSN number, I'll again give 720 okay. We are not getting anything. 720 okay. No problem. What I'll do is I'll just, for time being, I'll add the HSN code of metallic table only. So I'll just write 940 okay. Other furniture parts there, right? So I'll just write it like this. Okay. In general, opening stock for this raw material would also be, I think, valuation rate would be 400, and I'll have written it wrong. Opening stock would be 100, valuation number would be 400, and selling rate would be 500, right? Okay, so everything is filled now. Numbers is already present, so I'll save it, right? Now what I need to do is I need to create another raw material, right? So the next raw material I want to add is, let's say what I can add, screws I will add, right? So in general, I'll create again an item for screws. Okay, let's go with it. So I'll again click on edit full form. I'll add item code as screws. So the spelling of screws would be SCRUWs, or item code could be different. So I'll try to write SC001 screws. Okay. Item group would again be raw material because it is a material which is used to create metallic table, right? HSN number, I'll try to again add it. I think we should find it now. 81500, right? So over here we have already got it. Opening stock would be 1000 in number, and valuation rate would be 1 per number. Selling rate would be 1.2 rupees per number. Okay, this is also done. Let's save it. Again, there should be another raw material needed to create a metallic table. So I'll just see what could be more added over here. So metallic sheet could be created using, we need a paint also, right? So I'll add a new product, because if you want to create a table, you need to paint it also. So what I'll do is I'll create a new item, paint. Item group would be, I think item group would be raw materials only. Item group would be raw material, yes. Okay, and HSN number would be 390 21000, right? Okay, polymers would be there, and the measurement of paint is always in kgs. So I'll remove numbers and I'll write kgs. Okay, kgs is also done, right? I'll keep valuation rate as 50, selling rate as 60, right? And opening stock would be 500 kg. Okay, so this is done. After that, I'll just save it. Okay, so this is about how to add an item inside ERPNext, right? So thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we'll learn how to create a BOM for a particular item.